Hello and welcome to another update video about Solana. I think on the Solana chart, it's now important just to understand what the relevant support levels are after the price has formed a possible 5-wave move to the upside. At least that's my current interpretation. That might still change until the market forms a top here in this wave. We just have to be a bit flexible. But due to the break above the descending trend line, and due to the 5-wave structure at the moment, it makes sense to watch for further upside as long as the new micro support level or area is holding that I have added to the chart. It is between $84 and $94.88. So quick explanation. The idea is that we have here this WXY structure to the downside. In the bullish scenario, this could indeed mark the completion of this larger degree fourth wave. Okay, so the fourth wave of this larger cycle, which might lead to a fifth wave to $190 plus, which shouldn't be a surprise. We talked about that many times. This fourth wave might be complete. The fifth wave might have started. How exactly the microstructure is going to develop, it's a bit of a mystery at this stage. So we'll have to just take it level by level, but that's sort of the projection target, and the market will have to find its way to that target. But first of all, it's not even guaranteed that the low is in. It's just what I currently track because we have the first 5-wave move to the upside. But as this structure also shows you, it could simply be an A wave to the upside in a larger B wave, which might do this. So WXY in wave A, ABC in wave B. I could even call that an ABC, but it's a WXY because it's a 3-3-3 structure. So anyway, it's a 3-wave move, could just be an A wave. We could now simply form a larger B wave, and then we can still come down in wave C, which means that there might still be the possibility to enter a little lower. For anybody who missed the larger support area here, we only touched it though. But there should be a pullback before we complete this B wave. If this is the scenario that's playing out, I mean, which one it is, that will only get revealed after we have all the 3 waves here to the upside complete. Because once that's the case, ABC, it either crashes down or it's going to be a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's how I see it at the moment. Could also, we have to be flexible with Solana, but at any point, I will try to give you the support areas that need to hold so that you can potentially adjust your stop loss if you like to, or that you could possibly find new entries if you want to use our levels. The next potential pullback entry, I mean, we just had one here. So someone asked me in the comments, by the way, if I could propose an entry point. Well, I cannot propose when you enter trades because that is much more a personal decision than it is based on the chart. The chart tells you the levels where the price can react. And for many weeks and months, we've been highlighting the chart is in an overall uptrend. So we still expect higher prices, which means that pullbacks can potentially be seen as opportunities. And the first level where a reaction in a fourth wave was expected was here, the 79.30 level. I still think it's a very shallow wave 4. Therefore, I still allow that extended correction here, A, B, C, right? But basically, the next pullback zone that could provide an entry would be this one, if you want to use it. Yeah, that's the next one, but there is currently no sign that a pullback has started. So in a more bearish scenario, this would be the A wave of a larger ABC structure. So it's still worth watching for that. Yeah, what can I say? We've got 5 waves up. I see it as a potential diagonal. The market has now reached here this level that I showed you in yesterday's video. Mentioned to you that this here could form the neckline of a potential inverse head and shoulders pattern. So I'll highlight that as a red line. That is something to observe going forward. And the pullback here could be the right shoulder. So I'm just saying left shoulder, head, right shoulder. So it's just something to be aware of. Not saying the pullback will be necessarily that deep, Not saying a pullback is needed at this stage. You know, sometimes they break out directly. Then it's a very long wave A, for example. But we'll see how it develops. But due to the 5-wave structure, I think it is worth just taking the position that a low could be in. And we just need to get it further confirmed in the next deeper pullback. To be honest, first signal that a pullback starts, what could that be? I think we could use a trend line here, which might act as additional signal, you know, earliest signal probably that we can get that a pullback has started. This trend line, I will take out the yellow one though. Oh no, I leave it on the chart. We might need it in case we get a retest, because that could provide additional support. But yeah, what can I say? We've reached a resistance area now after breaking out of the descending trend line. It's a 5-wave move up now. So once a pullback shows, then this could be an opportunity. I have to say, though, there is no confirmation at this stage that a pullback has started. If a pullback starts from here, the ideal support area is between $94.88 and $84. That's my update about Solana. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.